Hello everyone. Today we are going to do chapter 1 of unit 3, that is interaction in between the various organ systems of the body. If you can recall, we have studied earlier that there are altogether 11 organ systems in the human body, right? So systems of the human body and their functions is the course name. So let's get started. So you can see certain organs here, okay, that is mouth, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, right? So I think all these organs, we have studied it earlier when we were doing the levels of organization in the human body in our earlier sessions, okay, that all these are the parts of digestive system, right? So today we are going to do the how digestive system interacts with the various other systems of the body. So if you can recall, okay, we have studied this earlier, the function of digestive system. What is that? It consists of organs, right, that break down food into components that your body uses for energy and for building and repairing cells and tissues, right? So the food which we eat, it is in complex form. So the organs of the digestive system, they break it down into simpler food, or okay, so that cells can absorb nutrients from that. So the first thing we are going to do is how digestive system interacts with the circulatory system, right? So digestion. What is digestion? It's breaking down of food into its simplest form so that it can be absorbed by the body. So see, once the food is digested, okay, what happened? It has to be transported to the cells, right? Cells just cannot take it on its own. So circulatory system, it transports nutrients from digestion and oxygen throughout the body to maintain homeostasis. So see, our body is made up of billions and billions of cells. Each cell needs a continuous supply of nutrients, oxygen. This is done by blood of circulatory system. So this is how digestive system and circulatory system interact to maintain homeostasis, okay? And as far as oxygen is considered, that is, we take in oxygen through breathing, okay? Now the next thing we are going to learn is how digestive system interacts with the muscular system. So during digestion, the food is broken down into simplest form so that it can be absorbed into the body. Now when it comes to muscular system, it is involved in digestion. Okay, the jaw muscles power the mastication process that initiates the entire process preparing the food for its absorption by the body. Okay, so before explaining, let me ask you something. I think the digestion of food starts in mouth, right? So it's the first digestive organ, we can say. When it comes to mastication, it's like chewing. It's a biological term for chewing. Okay, so if jaw muscles are not there, there won't be any further digestion, because unless and until you will chew it, how further digestion will take place, as mouth is the digestion starts in mouth. Okay, so here you can see muscles of mastication, that is the muscles that are involved in chewing, and those muscles are obviously there in our mouth. So the first muscle is buccinator. Okay, so what is the function of buccinator? That's the question, right? So when it comes to buccinator, it keeps the food positioned between teeth. The second muscle is masseter. It elevates jaw. And temporalis, it elevates and retracts mandible, which is the jawbone. Okay. Now, how our digestive system interacts with the skeletal system. So during digestion, the food is broken down into simplest form so that it can be absorbed by the body. When it comes to skeletal system, the skeletal system includes teeth, which are essential in the conversion process. We have 4 types of teeth, that is incisors, canine, premolars, and molars. So incisors cut the food, I told you earlier, and canine, they tear the food, and when it comes to molars and premolars, they grind the food. So if teeth is not there, how food will turn into simpler form, right? So you can say that teeth are the tools that grind the food into manageable substance that the digestive system can process, right? So if teeth are not there, digestion can never start, right? In the absence of teeth, I can say. Also, if you can remember, how many teeth we have got? Adults, 32. And what's the dental formula? It's 2, 1, 2, 3 for adults. Okay, and when it comes to kids, that is the milk teeth, the formula is 2, 1, 2, 0. That is, molars are absent in kids, right? So we have already studied this earlier. So that's it. We are going to continue the how digestive system interacts with the other systems in our upcoming sessions. Okay, thank you.